This is Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. We're here at 66 Hamlet, Unit 7, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Third floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment for rent. Very spacious. Starting our video tour right here in the living room. Little side closet there to the right in your living room here, right? So we walk into the kitchen. Brand new flooring throughout. To my left, you have a little side room here. This is not the bedroom, but you really could put a twin or a full-size bed in there if you needed a second bedroom that would be smaller. Double sink right here. Plenty of space. A little table in the corner. Some more closet space. Cabinet and countertop space. Behind me, brand new state-of-the-art stove, gas. Off the kitchen, the bathroom here. Shower, tub, vanity. Get that beautiful old-fashioned tub. And you get the bedroom here. Very spacious. Plenty of window space for natural light. This could fit a king set if needed. I'd like to schedule a viewing at 66 Hamlet Avenue, Unit 7. Click that Show Mojo link at the bottom of the screen and pick the time that best suits you. Or if you'd like to beat the rush, fill out that application ahead of time. Click that Apply Now and fill out the application. It's Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. Thank you and have a great day.